guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we learn how Nitish Rajput created this type of animation in After Effects. So let's get started. First we create a new composition. Then we select all the images, and import to the timeline. Then we selected all the images and cut them into 5 frames. And adjust it. Then we select first image and scale it. And after this we click here, and select the rulers. Then we set rulers around the text. Then we select the second image, and adjust to the middle of rulers box. We are doing the same with the other images. Then we create adjustment layer, and apply Gaussian blur effect. Then we increase the blurriness. Then we create mask on the text, and invert it. Then we create a solid layer, and decrease the opacity. After we apply crop edges. Then we press Alt and click on watch icon. And we adjust the solid layer. And change mode to multiply. Then we go to first frame and apply on key. In the first frame the crop right value is 86%. Then go to the last frame and change value to 42%. Then we apply roughen edges, and play with the settings. And it's done. We successfully create this effect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming updates and amazing tutorials.